pizza's really good. Where's it from?
It doesn't matter. We don't matter.
Oh, don't mind him. He's a bit of a drama queen.
No, she needs to know. Nothing matters, and we don't.
I just wanted to know where the pizza was from.
Oh, well, it doesn't even matter where the pizza's from. We just need to love life and love everybody and enjoy the little things like this delicious pizza. I'm saying it doesn't matter that it doesn't matter. We just need to love everybody and enjoy every part of life, like the pizza.
Oh, shut it. Nothing matters because we're all going to die.
Stop it. Yeah, we're all going to die, but you don't have to be such a Debbie Downer.
My crippling knowledge of my own demise is why I'm such a Debbie Downer.
Okay, like, yeah, we're all going to die, but that should make you want to live life to the fullest.
No, it doesn't matter. I don't matter. You don't matter. Pizza Girl doesn't matter. Nothing matters.
Oh, stop it. You should care. People do matter.
I just wanted to know where the pizza was from.